How to install a new seat cover on a stock Tutti Soleil 01. This method works for most e-bikes, dirt bikes, and some motorcycles. Total time is about 15 to 20 minutes. A second person definitely helps. Here's the original stock seat. And here's the finished result with the new cover installed.
Fuck it, kill my enemy, dropping the beat. Fuck it, this unless you hashing a machine. Suck up my day, bitches are repetitive.
Let's go from this to this. Let's get into it. To remove the old seat cover, you'll need a few basic tools. Pliers, needle nose pliers, and a flat screwdriver. Optional, a magnetic parts tray. My dad found this one at Harbor Freight for about $2 and loved it. Start by dry fitting the new cover on the seat. This helps you see the alignment and how much stretching is needed. Now let's remove the existing cover. Use a flat screwdriver to gently lift each staple. This takes finesse, not force. Once lifted, grab the staple with pliers and pull it out cleanly. Drop staples into a magnetic tray so nothing gets lost. Work your way around the entire seat. Take your time here. Clean removal makes installation easier. Remove every staple before installing the new cover.
A few moments later.
Once all the staples are removed, carefully remove the existing cover. You do not want to damage the padding or anything underneath. This is a good time to inspect the padding and seat. If necessary, make any repairs now. For installation, you'll need a strong staple gun. We're using 5 16-inch staples, which work well for most seats. Place the new cover on the seat and align it evenly. Add a light staple on one side to hold it in position. Move to the opposite side, stretch tight, and staple again. Work front to back and side to side. Stretch evenly as you go to avoid wrinkles. Clamps or a second set of hands make this much easier. Continue stretching and stapling until the entire edge is secure. If you have wrinkles, don't worry, you can remove the staples and stretch the cover. Once everything is tight, go back and fully staple it about every ½ inch.
A few moments later.
Fresh look, better grip, and ready to ride. Finally, reinstall the seat on the bike.
All about me, that's the energy, that's the limit, pepper thing.
If you found this video helpful or have any questions, please let me know in the comments.
He gon' make it flip, do it with no handles. Never switch your sides, only switch. All about me, that's the energy, that's the limit, pepper thing. I'm a 10-piece, baby. Bedroom fully in a bando. He gon' make it flip, do it it with no handles. Never switch your sides on